What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and this is the first truck I was able to see on eBay for Mix 11 for Monster Jam, and it's none other than the Nitro Neon Dragon. Alright, so here we go with Dragon, and this is the first truck when you typed in Spinmaster Monster Jam on eBay. This was one of the first ones that popped up that I saw from Mix 11, and it was at a nice price tag of $35 just for one of these trucks. Yeah, that was 2 weeks ago, and it sold. But yeah, pretty cool truck. Dragon, this thing actually does look pretty cool. I do like the color combination that they did go with this. And Nitro Neons, I think this is the third out of four trucks, with the other one being in this mix with Alien Invasion. I think we're only seeing 4 of them. So, you know, I know a lot of people don't like the Nitro Neons because it's not realistic, the tires look weird, or whatever the case may be. But if this is the end of the Nitro Neons, it was a good run. I think we did see a lot of trucks that were unique, a lot of trucks that were pretty cool, and then there were some trucks that were just kind of like, eh. But 2020 Dragon, here it is. This thing looks pretty cool, and I believe this is also the first time this year we're seeing Dragon, besides the 124 scale Dragon. So that's pretty cool in itself. I really do like the color combination on this. And of course, this truck is in Mix 11, and as you guys look at the back, there is a ton of good trucks in Mix 11. Really tough to pick a favorite one here. And one thing a lot of people were asking about Dragon this year was if the casting was different. I believe a lot of people wanted like a tailgate here with the wings, or how it was rounded off. I don't remember, but I don't think they did it yet. I don't know if they changed the casting. I think it's still the same as the other Dragon moldings and toolings and all that, but hopefully maybe one day in the future they'll fix that. If not, it's okay, I'm cool with it. But yeah, here's the Dragon Neon for Mix 11, and let's crack this thing open and take a nice look at it. Definitely the hardest truck to open so far out of Mix 11. Why? I do not know. But here it is, Dragon, the Nitro Neons. Now, last year we did kind of see a Nitro Neon Dragon, though it was kind of before we had Nitro Neons. It was the dark green rim or green tire Dragon, which sadly I don't have that next to me to compare it to, of course. But last year we did see a lot of different variations of Dragon throughout the year. This year, I hope we don't see a lot. I mean, Dragon is cool, don't get me wrong, but there's only so many things that can work with the truck. This one, I actually really like this. So Dragon does come with a poster, as you guys know, and on the back of that poster is Dragon. So this is basically the poster boy for Mix 11, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so it does come with a nice, I guess, dark, basically the same color. No, actually a lot tanner. Oh my god, what am I talking about? It's a lot more orangey, less orangey, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, wristband, and of course this truck does not have its name on the wristband. So far, the only truck in this mix to have its name on the wristband is Gravedigger. So we got 3 trucks left in this mix. Gravedigger's the only one. I think usually there's 2, so that's pretty interesting. But Dragon here, as you can tell, it has these green tires, and you know what? I really like these green tires. I think they look great. It does have some black rims, and it also does have a black roll cage, or black chassis. Now, the roll cage is basically like this yellowish, kind of greenish color, and I think that's really good because it kind of matches like the yellow and greenish color in its eyes, and basically right here with the fire in its mouth. I think they did a good job, because if this was an orange roll cage, I don't think it would have looked right. If it was a roll cage that was basically the same green as the tires, I don't know if that would have looked right. I mean, I can kind of see orange going there, but I don't know, I think that would have looked weird. I think it's a good choice. I think all around this truck does actually look pretty cool. So one of the main things with Dragon this year was a lot of people are complaining about the back, and I think what it is the truck in real life does have like a flat piece to where it's like it comes down with the wings here. Now obviously this casting does not have that yet, and I'm okay with that. I mean, you know, considering every single truck that's a pickup has a bar in the back, this one with Dragon, you can disguise that, and I think they did a good job with that. Now with this Dragon 2, the decals and everything are printed way better, and this truck just really pops. So this was one of the first trucks I was able to see for Mix 11 on eBay, and even though it was severely overpriced, I think it's really good. I think it's one of the better trucks, one of the unique designs, and like I said, if it's one of the last Nitro Neons, you know, I hate to see Nitro Neons go because there is a lot of cool designs, but also there's a lot of designs with that as well. But with Dragon, pretty cool because in a way, when we first got the doubles last year, I think Dragon came with, Dragon come with Jester maybe, and it had green rims or green tires, like dark green tires, and gold rims maybe. It was odd. So like in a way that was kind of like hinting towards Nitro Neons. So if this is the end of Nitro Neons, it's kind of unique. It's kind of cool how it's like full circle to where one of the last Nitro Neon trucks is Dragon, and in a way it kind of did start with Dragon with that double pack. But this truck is pretty cool. I like the way it looks. I like how it just pops. It just looks really good. It's something that catches your eye, and it's one of those things where it's like, I don't know if the truck looks bad or if I don't know if it looks good. It's that in between. It's like, you can't tell. And I like trucks like that because you can't really decide if the thing looks horrible or if it looks good. And it's kind of just in between, you know. But I think it's really cool. I think it's nice to see Dragon. Hopefully we won't see Dragon as many times as we saw it last year. We did get, I think, all said and done, there was like 6 of them, 6 or 7 Dragons last year, which is crazy, you know. But so far for 2020, the next Dragon coming out at some point will be the Elemental one, which is Fire, and I cannot wait to see that truck. In this Mix 11, we did see the Elemental Gravedigger truck, and that thing looks really, really cool. Dragon with Fire is going to look really, really awesome. And not only is that Dragon with Fire, the Elemental truck, going to be used for that, but since that body is red and everything, that truck I already know is going to be made into a custom Fire truck, which that opens the whole door for that as well. So that's going to be really cool and unique to see as well. Later on down the road, whatever mix that is, I think someone said it's mix 14 or 15, so we got away, so probably like November. But yeah, with that being said, guys, let me know what you thought of Dragon. This thing looks cool. Definitely one of the better Nitro Neons in my book, and just all around, I don't really know if it's good or bad, but I like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys like. Drop a like on the video, like, subscribe, and I got way more content coming out this week. And with that being said, guys, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow with another review.